Okay, so what we're testing here is a prototype of what looks to be a cell phone e-commerce website. So right away I look at the front page and I can tell clearly that this website is going to try to give me a choice of cell phone products that I can purchase. I'm first drawn to the changing image here in the main content area. From seeing this, I would expect to see some Nokia phones on the website because I see a lot of Nokia branding here. Um, I think right away probably I would expect this to click with a new badge on it, and considering it's on the side all by itself, I would expect this image over here to be clickable somehow. Uh, I'd say the graphic up here at the top leads me to believe that this is, I mean, I don't know, maybe the logo is going to be incorporated here or something, but this area is definitely missing some kind of pop. Something needs to be placed in the header there. Overall, the since I can tell it's a cell phone site, I'd say just from first glances, this would probably be targeted towards, I don't know, it's not really a teen-oriented website. It's maybe some sort of small company or somebody that's not dealing in a great quantity of phones, not like a large business, but maybe somebody that wants to purchase a couple of phones just for their employees on a smaller scale. Uh, Maybe that would be the target audience. I don't really see it being devoted to uh, family plans or large business plans, so it would have to be somebody small. Um, in my first guess as to who runs the site is that it would be affiliate based. I would not expect that this would be from any major cell phone manufacturer or company that deals in a bunch of different cell phone brands. I uh, I would assume that all of the links here that I would find to the phones would be from an affiliate link. So any phones that were purchased from this site would just generate some sort of small revenue for the person running it. But I wouldn't expect that the people that run this site would be the same people to support my phone and to support my rate plans. Right now, what we'll do is we'll check the main page over. I want to click on special offers here, but I see that that's not a link. I think if you're going to offer something as a special offer in a big banner on the front page, it should probably be clickable either through to one offer or through to a page of offers. This is kind of leaving me in limbo here. I want to see what the special offers are, but I don't know how to get there. I see the elements down here in the footer are the same that are represented as the top. I also want to click on that, but it doesn't do anything. These little buttons here on the graphics also make me want to click through, and I don't see that there's anything there that works. So, like I said, if you're going to have buttons that designate to draw your eye towards it, you need to have something there to click to. We'll click first on About Us. I uh, I don't know. I guess this is a pretty average um, average About Us page. Uh, it needs some kind of it needs like a greater depth of contact information, maybe something personal about the company. But then again, if it's an affiliate site, you can't give too much information about the company itself or ways to contact anybody. So what's included on this page would completely determine on who's running it. Our clients, I would expect that I would see, since I can assume from the way this site looks, it would be geared towards smaller businesses. I can assume that this would be uh, their client list, and that's what I would want to see here. I see that when you hover over these, they change to some text. I guess that could potentially be some information about the company, maybe a testimonial from the person that the phones were purchased for, that sort of thing. Let's see, testimonials. Same thing I would expect to see down here if I hovered over it. I would expect here to see a list of testimonials. And having the pictures on there is nice as well. Having the links to the website. And I see when you click that, it brings up a bigger picture. Okay. That's actually kind of nice. That's a nice feature. Anytime you can tie in a picture with a personal comment, it makes the customer feel more at ease about making their purchase from you. So this is a good feature to have. Product list. Before I click it, I'm going to assume that that is where I would find the products that I could choose from. Maybe a shopping cart sort of thing. This okay, I see it. None of these are clickable. Um, this layout looks very boxy and looks very unappealing to me. If you're going to have something, let me go back to the home page really quick. If you go back to the home page and you have something that flashes across like this, that's going to lead me to believe that you have the flash technology available or some kind of scrolling or scripting technology available to make the page move. I would expect to see the same thing out of the cell phones. I would expect to see them maybe move or animate or take me to another screen for each phone when I clicked on them. Seeing a page laid out like this would, if this was all there was to it, then I would leave the site at this point and I would not make a purchase from there. So this page definitely needs some work done to it. And then I think lastly we have contact, and that's just pretty much your standard contact form. So there's nothing nothing really outstanding or extraordinary about that. Um, Overall, I don't think that the design of this site is a high enough tech at this point to actually cause me to want to make a purchase. It looks like it's I don't know, it maybe needs to step outside the box a bit with just to give me some kind of level of comfort making a purchase from there. I would expect from a website, if they're going to be able to sell me some of the highest, newest technology, that they should be able to showcase that in their website as well, so I can get a level of comfort as to the product that they're trying to sell me, and that way I can have confidence in them. I think I've covered everything on the site, so the only thing left was the sitemap, and I think that's pretty standard. Login, I'm not exactly sure what the login would be for. I mean, is this a customer login? Is this a login for administrators of the website? If so, it should not be up there. So maybe that could be designated a different way, and just to be a little more clear as to what the login is and who has access to it. But I think I've pretty much covered every aspect of the site. So at this point, I guess I will finish the recording, and thank you.